Hi, and welcome to Spaceboy 2099. I'm Lee.
I'm Turbine.
And today we're going to review Air Raid from the Combiner Wars series, which was put out in 2015. After Megatron created the 5 Stunticons to form Menasor, Optimus Prime went to Cybertron and created 5 aerial bots to form Superion. Air Raid is one of the aerial bots that form the massive robot Superion. Just like the 1986 Hasbro version, the 2015 Combiner War aerial bots also form Superion. So here we have Air Raid in the box, which is mine, and out of the box, which is Turbine. Turbine, do you want to take him for a spin and show us what he can do?
His arms can move up and down. His ears can go wide open. His head has a fairly good range of movement, and his gun can go off and on.
So Turbine has transformed him off screen. Turbine, do you want to show us what Air Raid looks like in his aeroplane mode? Now, you can see clearly that it's an F-14 Tomcat. His wings go out and in. If we turn him over, it doesn't look as good because you can still see bits of his robot mode, but I think they've done a really good job on the top. What do you think, Turbine?
Good.
So here we have the accessories that came with Air Raid. The gun, which is a nice looking gun, and foot, which came with Air Raid for the Superion transformation. Turbine will show you the gun in the F-14 mode.
What should I do today? Well, my gun looks purple. Wait, what is my gun doing? What is my gun doing? What is it? What is going on here?
So here we have 3 generations of Air Raid. The original G1 from Hasbro, the third-party F-15 Eagle from TFC, and the Combiner Wars Air Raid.
Hey, how did you get to be so big?
What's your favourite thing to do with Air Raid?
Transform him and make him to a pan so you can put the white gun in his back.
Do you like anything else about him?
I like it how he can do the sphere.
So Turbine, how do you rate Air Raid?
9 out of 10.
Pretty good. I'll probably give him an 8 out of 10 because of the extra robot bits on his airplane mode. Thanks for watching this episode of Spaceboy 2099.
If you like this video, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Bye.
And that's the story of how Air Raid single-handedly destroyed Unicron.